Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Heavy Duty Live channel. Today contents is gonna be about digging a soakaway, making a soakaway for this beautiful house here. So it's pretty simple. It's just to dig the hole, find water, throw some stone in with one of these pipes with some holes in, and we're gonna backfill it with some gravel, and that's about it, you know. So I hope you enjoy the journey with me today. We have the 305C Mini, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy the video. All right. Things I gotta be mindful for, you know. So here we go. I prefer to start on this side because I know directly where this pipe is, but I don't know where the tank is precisely on that side, you know. So my hole this way, and hopefully by the time I shift over, the material is gonna fall in, so when it does, I'm gonna get to see clearly where the tank is instead of me starting over there and digging on top of the tank and damaging it, you know. So I'm just trying to be here on the safer side, you know, use a little common sense. Yeah, it's a simple job, no rush, just gonna take my time and get it done, you know. So I hope you enjoy, you know, see what little you can learn from this. Here's the thing with the island, right? For those of you who don't know, I live and I work in Turks and Caicos Islands, but I'm a Guyanese. I'm from Guyana. So the thing is, here, majority of the island is rock and not sand like this. So, or you might find a top layer of like topsoil, and then you're gonna get the rock beneath it, you know. It's always a mixture, but here is like, you know, you go on a job site, you know, you gotta look out for rock, you know. So and dealing with the rock, it's different than just dealing with sand, you know. It's different material. So here there's some techniques that you gotta know that I took years, you know, learning and getting tutored from, you know, other fellow operators you know, and some things that I learned on my own as well, you know. So by the way, I work for this company in Turks and Caicos. You know, it's one of the best heavy equipment company, machine rental. It's Al's Hauling and equipment. You know, the boss is allowing me to film these videos, so I gotta at least be grateful and give him some shout out. So shout out to Al's Hauling and equipment rental. And if you're in Turks and Caicos and you need some heavy duty equipment expertise, then don't be afraid to call the company. You know, so yeah, so like I was saying, when you dig into the rock, right, because the rock is be so hard, and this is a small machine, when it comes to the edges, like as you can see here, I can't sit nowhere else to get like to make the edge straight. So when you want to get the end over there straight, as you go down into the rock, you have to try to maintain like a straight line going down. You know, you gotta like keep your teeth straight with the line, and keep it, you know, keep shaping it as you go down into the rock. Because if you just cut and you don't straighten it, and you go down and there's like a good 3, 4, 5 feet drop, and the boom is gonna drop, sometimes you don't always be able to catch it back in time. You know how gravity is. So what you do, you keep it straight as you go down. You know, you try your best to, it might not always be precise, but you try to keep it straight as possible as you go down into the hole that you're digging. So when you get to the bottom and you're doing your little shape up, the boom doesn't keep falling, you know. And I think not only for rock you can do this in, but you can do it in other terrain too as well. You know, it saves you some hard work, it saves your back some hard work. Yeah, it saves your health. Save you some more life in your body, because trust me, this machine jock you up a lot, especially cutting in this rock. I'm gonna bring more videos of when I'm in like extremely hard rock cutting, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Here it's different, you know. Let's say for example they come and they give us a 6x6 hole to dig, right? As an operator, just to be on the safe side, maybe you give them an extra foot or 6 inches extra on each side of the hole that they want, you know, just in case. Just in case, you know, they come back and be like, you know, I don't have no space to work or so on. Because I mean, backfilling isn't a problem. Backfilling is easy, but to go back and cut, you know, that is be the bigger issue. So it's always better to give a little bit extra. But I'm talking about the way we work. You know, it might not go for different places around the world, but for here, you always give extra. wider, heavier amount to slip when I get deep. Because this is gonna go down roughly about, like, I think like 8 feet into the ground. I think the water is like 8 feet down. 8 to 9. Result. The reason why it's not it's okay via the sides, because there was a pipe trench here, and there's a tongue there, and there's another pipe trench there. Yeah, but this will do for the soak away, because they're just gonna have to put in a big pipe that you see right over there. Put in the pipe, some gravels, and it's gonna be covered up back. So yeah. pipe in now. We gotta put some gravel in as a cider, and then we're gonna backfill it. Gotta connect to this other tank in the ground here. So guys, this is what the finished part of the job look like. This is a soak away, and I didn't get to catch the parts where I backfill it and the guy is running the pipes to it, but I surely will bring a video in the future in more details. But this is what it looked like. The pipes are in there, run to it, and yeah, dig the hole, throw some gravel in, put this pipe in, run your pipes to this big pipe, you fill it around with gravel, and then you backfill it with whatever material, if it's sand, quarry, whatever it is. Yeah, but this is it. Sometime in the future I'm gonna bring a next video with the next one, and I'm gonna go step by step, but this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more contents like these and better contents and some help with operating videos and other stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and look out for more.